An ally has returned.
Hello, Paul Bello here, once again in the Lit RPG Adventures Workshop, working on our new unified world builder. As you know or don't know, we have over 36 advanced AI RPG tabletop generators. And what I'm trying to do now is put them all together into a world builder. And so when you generate stuff, it'll have context of other things that are in your specific world. Cleaning up the UI, UX a little bit, it is still not great. What we're going to do here, after the kingdoms are created, I'll probably have a button here to generate kingdom info, and like the city, it'll generate, kingdom description and other details that we need. And then what I would like to do is make that editable. I'll have to put some moderation in so that you don't change the kingdom to be named "Tell Me a Sexy Story" and then include that in the context, and then I get in trouble for it spitting out a sexy story. But beyond that, I want to give the people paying for it the ability to edit and change the world how they want for the kingdoms. Like if we generated a city now within this kingdom, it doesn't have any information for context, but eventually that will be so. The other big thing that I have done is it's not saving it or doing anything with it yet. That's why we can click on any tile and it'll just come up with this one. Even the tile that we don't... Oh, we didn't do any cities yet, did we? Huh. Unless I'm losing my mind. Okay, let's start over from the beginning. And we'll generate a map. And then we will try to add a city to the 0, 1 hex within that single hex down here. So I'm thinking of making these like maybe 30 miles, and then each of these would be a 10-mile hex. Okay, looks like we have a city, and we have the Sylvan Glade. Nestled deep within the verdant heart of the enchanted forest lies the quaint village of Sylvan Glade. Now, if you do anything with GPT, ChatGPT especially, you probably get things like generic things like enchanted forest. So that's one of the things that this tool is being designed to help with. It's just saying a random enchanted forest because those are most common, and we didn't tell it explicitly what we wanted. But as we add, more cities, and if you notice, it's in the upper left there, and it's not really upper left, but you would be able to fit 7 cities or 2 cities in a dungeon within one tile or whatever. I might change how it's displayed here on the main map, but I kind of like the idea that if you put it here, it's positioned there. You put it here, it's positioned there. And for now, you're only going to be able to do 1 city per tile. So what I'll do is, just disable it if there's already a city within that tile. But we will create another one here, and we get another quaint village. But again, as we build stuff out, we can start adding context. So Willowbrook Haven, we can remember, the other city and then it would start mixing and matching the details. That is the plan anyway. As I said, it's not saving it anywhere, so it's just kind of clunky right now. But I wanted to share this with you because we are making a bit of progress. If you'd like to test this out as a beta tester, leave a comment below. That way I can kind of gauge how many people are interested in trying this. Lit RPG Adventures is already up and running. We have been for a few years now. This tool particularly is not available yet, but all the other 36 tools are. And becoming a member helps support me so that I can put more time into finishing this and making it available for world builders, be they writers or gamers or, you know, whoever else wants to build a really big, cool map. That's all I got for now. We're making a bit of progress, though, I believe. Just got to work on the UI, UX a little bit more and start saving this data so that we can cross-reference it when we do add more cities or dungeons or stuff like that. So leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll be back with more soon. I can talk, I promise. Bye.
An ally has left the game.